Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. This video is going to be about the really desperate measures I'm going to take to try and get some seeds to sprout. For the last couple of years, I've been having the same problem. I cannot get seeds, my vegetable seeds, to sprout. If you look at these, Thai hot peppers, mulattoes, natapinos, snackabells, just row after row, and you come over and it's like, okay, there's a couple sprouted. Now we go empty again. There's two sprouted. Now we're empty again. Change around to the other side. No Ozark Giants, only two of the Sweet Goliaths. There's a couple, back to empty. Just a couple, back to empty. Each one of these tags is a different variety of, for the most part, peppers. It's been on a heat mat for more than 2 weeks, and there's like a couple Romas have come up, a couple tomatoes have come up, but almost nothing has come up out of the peppers. So I've tried ordering new seeds, going with seeds, old seeds, my seeds. I'm going to start as many of these as I can on some paper towels and find out, is it something I'm doing wrong, or is it the seeds? For some reason, am I not storing them well? What is the problem? They've got a dome on them. They're moist. As you can see here, 81.6 on the heat pad, and there's 24 more in the other room. I've got 2 more flats, all look like this. Just the occasional seed came up. I got to get to the bottom of it because I can't afford to keep buying plants, and my time is running out. I got to get these started for them to be any good for me this year. So I'm going to go back to the other room and show you how I'm going to try them on the paper towel method. All of the seeds that I've started, I've put into this bag so that if I need to retest or whatever, any of them, I've got them. These are the packages that I planted. So it's not going to be too hard for me to go through here and say, okay, that's borage, it doesn't count. Let's pull some of these out. Here is a blot pepper. No signs of life out of it. Whoever saw sandwich bags that were green? Snack bags that were green. Oh well. So this is a blot pepper. It's $2.23. Now, one of the problems you do get is that so many of your seeds now, you basically don't get any. So I'm going to take a piece of paper towel to wet it. I've done this with a lot of seeds over the years, and it's a pretty good indicator of whether something's any good or not. These seeds, I'm not going to tell you who I got them from. I ordered 5, highly recommended on a couple of YouTube channels. I ordered 5 peppers. They said they shipped 4 of them. They actually shipped 3 of them. And then they stuck in like a 4 or 5 bags of other peppers that I didn't want. This blot is one of them. I didn't want these. I complained to the owner, and he said basically that he hires people that really need jobs, and sometimes they don't do a very good job. I replied back to him and said, hey, it's your company, own it. If you can't get decent employees, find some more. Don't blame lousy employees because you can't run a company that can deliver 5 items in a package. That's ridiculous. And you blame the employees. Maybe try training. Make sure they can read. So there's my blot. Set that one aside. Back in this little bag because there's a couple of seeds left. I ordered some other ones from a fairly large company, and I ordered them 2 weeks ago. Still haven't seen them. Still haven't seen the product. They're over in Texas. The tomatoes I'll have to check. They may be good. Something called an elephant ear pepper. You ever hear of that? Never heard of it. It's another one they sent me I didn't ask for. It's kind of like, we can't send you your order, we'll just send you a whole bunch of other stuff. Or maybe it was somebody else's order. I don't know. Sad. So we'll go with these. But anyway, another company I ordered from, bunch of recommendations. They're over in Texas. Ordered about 20 things from them. Been 2 weeks. Well, that's not true. It's been 12 days. Haven't seen a thing. Emailed the guy and said, you know, what's the deal? He gave me a post office tracking number, and they say they don't even have the package. That was like after 8 days. So, I got a whopping 3 seeds of this one. So, this one gets to go in a package of signifying there's nothing left. So, he emails me back and said, you know, the mail's not doing very good. You know, find another way to ship them. What is your problem, people? Elephant. Here's pepper. You know? So, that's 2 companies I won't be ordering from again. I can tell you who I've done really well with. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't, but I have. So True Seeds, Seeds and Such, Seeds Now, and of course everybody's favorite, Baker Creek. Botanical Interest. They don't seem to have trouble with the mail. I've ordered from those people 3-4 years. I've always been very pleased with the delivery. And it always came quickly. What are these guys? These are Aji Dulces. These were some peppers I got at a farmer's market from some Asian people. It looks like it should be a real hot pepper. If you find that name, it's a hot pepper. These are not. These are almost like a really nice paprika pepper. Oh, they were so good, and they just gave you more peppers. They're a small pepper, but you got a jillion of them. So I saved some seeds. Hope I saved them late enough or whatever. Put them on some paper, wet paper. If not, I hope they're at the farmer's market again this year with them, because they were just an outstanding pepper. A-G-D-U-L-C-I. I'm going to keep doing this through the peppers. It's just the same process over and over again, so no point in taking you up watching it. But I'll show you how they look when I get them all done. And maybe when we get to the bottom, I mean, if these sprout, then it's something I'm doing wrong otherwise. If these don't sprout, I'm storing the peppers wrong somehow. This is David, Grow and Eat This. So frustrated with the peppers this year. Again, I'll be back to you when we get them all finished. So I've managed to get all of them bagged up, and amazingly, it is 16. There is one tomato, I think, and one herb, 2 tomatoes, 1 herb. So then there are 13 peppers, none of which came up. These were brand new seeds from a week ago, last fall seeds, year ago seeds. All of these should have been really good seeds, and none of them came up despite being on good soil, a heat mat, moist, with a dome over them, and a temperature 80-82 degrees for 2 weeks. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what else to do, but we're going to find out if I'm not storing the seeds properly, because it can't be bad seeds. These came from like 6 different companies spread over from current to the last several years. So it can't be bad seed. It's got to be I didn't store it right. Something wrong with it. If it'll sprout on paper towels, then I really don't know what to do, other than I will at least be able to take what sprouts on the paper towels and put into the 6-packs that never sprouted for me. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. The What in the World is the Matter with the Seeds project continues. Thank you for watching. I'll give you an update. Maybe I can do one in about a week, see if we're getting anything to sprout. Thank you for watching.